Organic juice pulping, extracting juice from whole fruits and vegetables. That was a fantastic, detailed walkthrough of the cold press juicing process. Now let me go through the whole journey for you in a more relaxed, like we're just chatting about making juice together. Hey, let's make some amazing organic juice. So you would like to get into the good stuff, extracting juice from whole organic produce. We're talking about cold press juicing or pulping, and honestly, it's the best way to load up on nutrients. Here's how we tackle it step by step. Part 1, setting the stage, the prep work. So think of this first part as getting your ingredients ready for a gourmet meal. And now it's all about cleanliness and making the juicer's job easy. On 1, pick and wash. And first off, you've chosen organic, which is awesome. Less worry about unwanted residues. You want to grab produce that's firm and bright, not sad or mushy. That sad stuff won't give you much yield or flavor. Now the washing. Since we're keeping the skins on most things for the added nutrients and fiber, we have to be super thorough. Grab a veggie brush for the hard items. Carrots, apples, beets, give them a real scrub under cool water. For your delicate leafy greens, just a good rinse and a gentle shake is all they need. 1, chop it down, but not too small. Hard stuff like ginger, carrots, or thick stems, cut them into spears, pieces that fit easily down the feed chute. About the size of your thumb is usually perfect. Big round things like apples or kooks, quarter them or chop them into wedges. Citrus. You might want to peel that thick, oily outer rind as it can make the juice bitter, but definitely keep that white pith underneath. That's full of good stuff. Leafy greens, don't just stuff them in. Roll a handful up tightly, like a little cigar. That gives the machine something dense to grab onto. Pro tip, seriously, check for pits and hard seeds. A cherry pit or a piece of mango seed can ruin your expensive machine. Safety first. Part 2, the grinding phase, maceration. This is where the actual juicing process begins. We're going to use a special kind of juicer, a masticating, slow, or 2-stage cold press, because it treats the produce gently. 1, easy does it. Start feeding your pre-cut pieces into the chute. The key word here is slowly. You'll have a plunger, but you shouldn't have to fight the machine. If you jam it full, you force the machine to work harder, which creates friction and heat. Heat is the enemy of cold press juice. We want to keep everything cool to protect those delicate vitamins and enzymes. When 1, what's happening inside? Inside the juicer, a big, slow-turning auger, it looks like a giant drill bit or corkscrew, is doing the heavy lifting. This process is called maceration. That auger isn't just shredding the produce. It's crushing and tearing the thousands of tiny cells in the fruit and vegetable. Why? Because the juice and all the nutrients are locked inside those cells. By tearing them open slowly, we maximize the release of all that goodness. What comes out of this stage is a fine, wet, mushy pulp. It's not juice yet, but it's ready for the next most crucial step. Part 3, squeezing it out, the cold press. This is the moment that makes this juice superior. We are going to apply a ton of gentle pressure to that mushy pulp to extract every last drop. 1, bagging the pulp. If you're using a high-yield press, you'll first collect that wet pulp and transfer it into a special fine mesh pressing bag or cloth. Carefully gather the cloth's corners and wrap the pulp into a neat, flat, square package. Take your time here. A tidy package means a better yield and less mess. 1, hydraulic squeeze. Place that neat little parcel onto the base of the hydraulic press. Now, let the machine take over. The press plate will come down slowly and steadily, applying immense pressure. We're talking several tons of force or EHA, so for I, so YT. to that pulp package. It's this slow, sustained pressure that physically wrings the pulp completely dry. As it squeezes, you'll see a beautiful stream of clear, vibrant, foam-free raw juice pouring out and collecting below. Because the pressure is slow and the process is gentle, we maintain that cold temperature throughout. That's how we lock in the maximum amount of nutrients like vitamin C that would normally be damaged by the heat of a fast-spinning juicer. Part 4, enjoy and tidy up. We did it. The hard work is done, and you have liquid gold. 1. Collect and store. Once the pulp is a dry, flat disc, you've got your batch of fresh cold-pressed juice. Give it a gentle swirl. Some fine particles may have settled. You need to get this juice into airtight glass bottles immediately and straight into the fridge. Since it's raw and unpasteurized, it's super fresh but also highly perishable. Plan to drink it within 3 to 4 days for the absolute best flavor on nutritional punch. 1. What about the pulp? Don't toss that fibrous stuff just yet. Since it's organic and super dry, you have options. Compost it. It's excellent for your garden. Get creative. You can mix it into muffin batters, add it to broth bases, or even dehydrate it to make healthy pulp crackers. There you go. That's the entire process of getting incredible organic juice. It's a little effort, but the finished product is totally worth it. What blend are you thinking of making first? Maybe something with kale and ginger? Let me know in comments. Please subscribe, comment, and share the video. Settings. Use appropriate media. Add all caps subtitles with a spoken word highlight.